getsu.
I hope y'all are having another good day. So today I'm bringing you guys more content. Today is just an unboxing video. I feel like it came at perfect timing because actually I was gonna film today, but I ended up having a detail I ended up doing on the Jeep Wrangler, so I ended up getting sidetracked and wasn't able to get to filming for what we was gonna do on the truck today. But stick around because sometime this week I'm probably gonna be doing this mod tomorrow to the truck. Well, it's not really a mod, but I'm gonna be doing what I'm doing to the truck tomorrow. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video because you guys know I love it when you like the videos. And once again, thank you guys for checking out the channel. So, first things first, thank you guys so much for the last video. You guys killed it. Apparently, you really loved the tail lights, how they came out. I love them. They look legit. I'm talking badass. I think I've gotten like 5 compliments already from the tail lights, so I'm really happy about them. They came out phenomenal. It rained one day, but it wasn't a whole lot of rain, and there was no water inside of them, which is a good start, you know what I'm saying? So we can only keep it like that, or hope we can keep it like that from now on. I'm confident they're not gonna leak. Also, I showed you guys a little clip in the beginning of the tail lights, how they look lit at night, or at least when it's darker outside, because I know when I made the video it was daylight, so you can't really see what they look like at nighttime, but they are bright and they are crisp, and I love them. So yes, thank you guys so much for that. So today's video, we got, I actually wasn't expecting this to come in today. One of them was not expecting to come in today because I just didn't think they were. Second one, we got some AMSOIL oil that came in. My man Adrian hooked it up once again. You guys know I only run AMSOIL in my truck because I believe in running the best stuff that they have out there. So if you guys are interested in getting AMSOIL at a very reasonable price, down in every video description I have the contact information to reach out to my AMSOIL dealer Adrian. He will give you the best deal you can get on AMSOIL, and he will get it out to you fast. I know a couple people were complaining, or I know some people have complained that they don't like the fact AMSOIL is not reachable at dealer stores or at stores, and you know, but the thing is you're getting the best oil for your truck, and when you order it, it's usually at your house the next day, if not the following day. I believe this got ordered yesterday and it showed up to my door today, so that's pretty good. You can't complain. I mean, we wait 2 days on Amazon Prime, so what's 1 day, 2 days waiting for some engine oil, you know what I'm saying? So we got some oil, so I'm gonna show you guys that, and then we also got the box for add-ons for the suspension. We got Fox mono reservoir, or not mono reservoir, but Fox shocks for the truck. I'm extremely excited because I've never ran Fox shocks before. I had drove a vehicle with Fox shocks on it, and actually it was the Jeep today, and I was really impressed. Granted, those had the 2.0 reservoirs. It was still very comfortable, fully adjustable and all that stuff. Unfortunately, we don't have that for the Cummins, but this is gonna be the next best thing for it, you know what I'm saying? So let me show you guys what we're working with, and then we'll go from there. All right, you guys, so we have Fox shocks in here. I need to take one out of the box. I'm gonna see if I can take one out with one hand. And yes, these are for a 8-inch lift. So we got Fox, see if I can get in there, get some focus. We got Fox 2.0s. It doesn't want to focus right now. Yeah, I'm sorry. Well, anyways, all it says is we got Fox 2.0 shocks, and it gives us a length 29 by 8.5 by 18.25 by 2. Okay, so we got that in there. See if I can open this. I'm gonna try to open this up real quick for y'all. Hang tight. Open up this bad boy. I'm so excited to get this stuff, man. Oh my goodness. We got instructions. We got hardware, bushings. Oh yes. And we got the Dalai Lama. Check that out. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so pumped right now. We finally got Fox shocks for the 3rd gen. Y'all don't know how excited I am right now, man. I cannot wait to put these on. Man, that quality though. That's some good stuff right there, man. And coming from Rough Country Shocks, I truly expect this to be a very, very good upgrade. I rock the Rough Country Shocks, and by no means are the Rough Country Shocks bad. I've rocked them for probably about 2 years now, and I've had no problems with them, but, you know, we can go better, and that's what we're doing. And if you guys are curious, that's what is in all 3 of these other boxes right there. So we got Fox Shocks in. So we still have the suspension over here with all the parts and stuff. Still got to paint that. We got the shocks here. So what are we waiting on now? So now what we're waiting on is going to be our control arms. All we need really is the control arms, more specific, long arms. So I'm going to make a video down the road talking about the difference between regular control arms and long arm kits. I think it'll be very informative for you guys to be able to check it out and see. But all I'm waiting on is my long arms and my steer and sway, heavy duty steer and sway bars from Ranat Ironworks. My man Kevin's over there cooking up in the garage right now. So as soon as we get that in, we're going to be rocking with the lift kit. Now, you guys, so I was thinking about it hard, and it took me a while to you know, come to the conclusion. I know I've been in the last video and a couple videos ago, I talked about powder coating. I think I'm not going to go with the powder coating route. Here's why. Powder coating for all the suspension parts that I'm looking at getting powder coated and would like painted, I'm going to be looking at about $400 to maybe $500. Now, would it look amazing? Yes, it would look phenomenal, and I know it would. But the thing is that money I'm going to spend down the road on powder coating, we could put that into the truck for more mods, better, cooler mods, if you know what I'm saying, okay? So that's how I think when I'm doing stuff for my truck, you know. I painted my last suspension, my coils and all that stuff, and they look phenomenal. I get compliments all the time. People ask me who powder coated them, and I always say, oh, I just painted them myself. So I'm gonna go that route again with my new suspension. You know, I'm not out there to be a SEMA truck. I'm not out there to be the flashiest, oh, I put this much money into my truck. That's not what this channel has never been about, and I never stood for that. I'm out here to show you guys how to make shit look cool as fuck at the lowest cost, doing it yourself, saving money. That's what this channel's been about. And for all my OGs, y'all know way back when I first started, I said the purpose of this channel was so that way people can have the confidence to know that they can go outside in their driveway, work on their truck, and not have to pay somebody so they can save that money. And everything I've done on this truck has been done in my driveway. So I take pride in that, and I feel like, well, why switch up now? You know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, that doesn't mean that I'm gonna cut corners and it's gonna look all janky, because y'all know I won't stand for that shit. So it's gonna look good, all right? So we got that going on. Now we got some oil. So yes, if you didn't know, I run AMSOIL everything. I don't care if you call me an AMSOIL fanboy or whatever. I love it. It's good stuff. And the thing about AMSOIL, there's only 2 companies I know that does this: AMSOIL and Hot Shot. They're the only 2 oil lubricant / fluid company that provides statistics with their products. They will never tell, every time they tell you, they have claims of, for instance, 4 times more wear and protection. They have actual third-party testing. You can go on the AMSOIL website and read all of their testing, dynos, scuff testing, all of that stuff. A lot of y'all probably watch Project Farms. AMSOIL won the tournament for the oil tournament, okay? It won in all categories. I think it was a head-to-head between Pennzoil, Platinum, and then, or Titanium, whatever it's called, and then AMSOIL. AMSOIL took the crown. This is not no snake oil. This is the legit stuff, you guys. And if you're curious, AMSOIL does a lot of stuff, okay? They got engine oil for motorcycles, diesel trucks, gasoline vehicles, ATVs, marine. I run in my boat. I run that right there, actually, two cycle oil mix for my fuel, you know, in my boat, my John boat. So AMSOIL does a lot of stuff. Another thing too that came out recently that's cool, and a lot of people don't know about it, AMSOIL has these, I call them juice pouches, but they're juice pouches for fluid. So transmission fluid, gear oil. Gear oil is a big one because it's very annoying changing your gear oil and using a bottle, and then you got to get a flexible funnel, and it's messy. That right there is going to be super clean. And if you're curious, yes, I am running this AMSOIL oil in my transmission currently. After we did the 68 separator plate mod from ATS, I went ahead and added AMSOIL ATF fluid into my truck. Transmission been running like a dream, no problems. Yes, that includes when I get on it. So we have 2 types of oil today. We have the diesel signature series 6-time protection 5W30. I'm actually 300 miles past my oil change interval, so right now I'm at 7,800 miles. Usually I change it at 7,500 miles. but I'm going to be changing it out with the Signature Series. Now, what makes the Signature Series special is that Signature Series is double extended intervals, which means you can go twice as long on a oil change versus traditional synthetics and traditional conventional oil. So instead of me, for my truck, recommended oil change interval is 7,500 miles. Instead of going 7,500 miles, I can go 14,000 or wait. 15, yeah, 15. I don't do math in public. I can go 15,000 miles, which is phenomenal. So once I do this next oil change and I put the Signature Series in, I'm probably not looking at an oil change for like almost a year. Good stuff. Now, at the same time, there's nothing absolutely wrong running not conventional, but I call this the AMSOIL OG, because this is the first heavy duty protection oil they came out with for the diesel trucks. So this one, there's not wrong running this either. This one, you get 4 times the protection and it's normal intervals. So this right here is a very good oil for people who are first getting into the AMSOIL oil scene, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we got going on, you guys. I just wanted to bring you some content, bring you a new unboxing. I'm so pumped to put these on. I cannot wait, you guys. These are 8-inch shocks. It's gonna ride so good. It's gonna look good. Forge wheels are still in the way, if anybody's asking. Still waiting on the forge wheels. We're not even near the estimated time right now. That's gonna be around February-ish. So yeah, that's what we got going on. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. The reason why I didn't go outside is because 1, it's dark, 2, it's cold as hell. So I apologize for that, but you guys got to see the tail lights on the Cummins. So until next time, you guys, take it easy, be safe, peace out. Give this video a thumbs up if you stuck it out to the end. And remember, if you want some AMSOIL, get down below in the description link so that way you can hit up my man Adrian and go ahead and get you some AMSOIL on order. Yes, you will get a discount and you will get the best deal for it. All right, so until next time, what y'all want to see, subscribe, take it easy, be safe, and peace.